Hello everybody. So today I am in Laguna Niguel along this funky urban creek, another one that it is overrun by our favorite tasty flower snack called mustard. So I will have to find my way down there. This place looks so different than the last time I was here. I don't even know how I'm getting down. I gotta go through this. Oh god, is this good? See, this is why this is invasive. It just grows so fast and you don't know where the dang path is anymore. No, there's no sign of any trails. It used to be as clear as day, and now I'm doubting where I am. Maybe it's over here. Okay, I'm trusting my intuition. I think it really is in all of this brush. Oh my gosh. Okay, I remember there's like kind of a drop off down here somewhere though, so I gotta pay attention. Okay. Kind of looking familiar now. Ish. Yeah, I remember that bush. Oh, I really have to trust myself for this one. Woo! There's no trail to be seen still. Ooh. I'm gonna be coming out with a bunch of vegetation in my hair today. That's for dang sure. Okay, it's been like 3 minutes of this. Oh, I think I know where I am. Woo! Glad I'm wearing my Smith jumps because I cannot see my feet. Woo! Swimming in a sea of invasives. Oh my gosh! Okay, I see. We're almost there. Oh! Oh! Golly gee! Excuse me. Woo! Let me out! Oh, okay. Now see, this is clearly where the boundary of the project is. All these invasives, and then you've got this lovely native patch of willow. One of my favorites because it's so resilient. It gets knocked down, pushed around, dragged down a creek, and it grows and grows and grows. It stabilizes banks. It has something in its bark that's like aspirin, or actually aspirin is derived from it. The bark you can also use as a root stimulator to stimulate the growth of roots for your plants, or if you're trying to propagate any new plants, this is a good way to stimulate that process. Now let's go look deeper. I'd be wondering what all of this fluffy stuff is on this willow. This is how the willows disperse their seed, by wind, and so they create all of this fun stuff and it just blows around everywhere and makes for a interesting kind of landscape. You can see it all right there. Oh wow, I'm covered in it. Oh wow, okay. I guess it's sticky too. I have seen this project every 3 months for the past year. I've seen it dry. I've seen it struggling. And what is it? It's May, but we had like kind of a late winter. So it's looking kind of like spring. And it's so beautiful. Check it out. It's mostly natives. Yep, I love it. It's squishy, pretty. So this beautiful mat of natives, besides some of that mustard and some of this, what is this called here? Lamb's quarters. This native, this one right here, this one is alkali heath. It does well in high salinity environments. Yeah, this was, I believe, seeded, and it is doing so well. I think we are in year 3 of this restoration effort, and it is doing mighty fine, with just some minor instances of some non-natives, like our favorite snack, the mustard flower. Spicy. Oh yeah. It's got these cute little pinkish purplish flowers, and its name gives a hint towards the fact that it can tolerate alkaline soil. And so the interesting thing that I found out is that salt in water drives up the pH, which means that it is alkaline, versus acidic, which is a low pH. And so when we selected these species, we took into account that fact, and look at it. It's just doing so well. That's why you got to do your research and know what the environment comprises of, so that you can select species, native species, that will do it the best. And it is very much so outcompeting the non-natives, which is a couple little tiny species here and there. And this is only in year 3, and it's got 2 more years of maintenance and monitoring, and it's going to do so well. Even this guy, this one I believe is a native. Yeah, this is LMS. This one's my favorite, one of them. Oh, we got a little bee on it. Isn't that just beautiful? Yeah, nature's amazing, and we can be stewards of it by choice, just by caring and paying attention, listening, observing, slowing down. Here we'll get a close-up of what's making all that fuzzy stuff. And here it is. This is willow. And here are the catkins. They're flower pods. This one's not quite ready yet. But yeah, look how they have adapted. See those little seeds in there? And they'll be dispersed by the wind. Or they'll stick to me and I'll disperse it when I walk around.